Do you remember uMasibusane Zongo, the one that once captured the hearts of so many South Africans because we thought that he'd be the next star that would carry our hopes to global stages? Yeah. So Kickoff has written an article ngaye where he apologizes to South Africa. Obviously, he had so many off-field issues that led to the hopes that we had of him not truly living up to the expectations that we had. Now, they refer to him as the prince that never became king in this article. Now I want to know mna, if uMasibusane Zongo is the prince that never became king, who is that actual king of South African football? Ngubani lowo? He's the prince that never became king. Okay, but who is that king? But yeah, in this article, he apologizes to the rest of South Africa for all that could have been but never happened. So you make sure you go and read that article. Article. Yes, this is one of the greatest talents we've ever produced in South Africa. Masibusane Zongo. What a talent he was.